Hi there, this is Professor Monty, and let's talk about problem solving with subtraction. So we've got an example here. A person jumps from a rock 30 feet above the water and goes down 10 feet below the water. How far did the person go? Obviously before they came back up. Now I drew a picture. So the rock is 30 feet above. They jump down into the water. Once they hit the water, they go down another 10 feet. Just by drawing the picture, we may know what the answer is, the total distance they dropped. But what this is, it's a subtraction problem. And so the idea is the difference, we'll say the difference in height. Now remember, difference is another word for subtraction. What we're going to do is we're going to do the high minus the low. Well, the high, they started 30 feet. Minus the low, well, the low's not 10 feet, it's 10 feet below the water. So this was a positive 30, it was 30 feet above the water. 10 feet below the water, we're going to put as a negative 10 as their height. So now I've got 30 minus negative 10. And remember, subtraction is the addition of the opposite. I will link my video where I talk about subtraction at the end of this video. So you can go back and review it if you need to. But minus negative 10 means plus positive 10. So I've got 30 plus 10, or 40 feet. And we see from the picture, that's obvious, makes sense. 30 and 10, it's going to be a total of 40 feet. Hopefully, again, they come back up out of the water and come back to water surface so they can breathe. But that's the idea. So a little application of it. A lot of different ways you can write this. We can talk about making money and losing money. One's positive, one's negative. Essentially, you always take the high minus the low to find the difference. Hope that helps. Practice these. I know word problems are a little difficult for a lot of people. They scare us, but they're actually not too bad, especially if you can draw a picture or think mentally what's going on and really understand the problem.